Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be doing a deck review of Conscious Spirit Oracle deck. I got this in a subscription box. I've never used it. I have blessed it and looked at the cards. I just didn't really resonate with them. It's one of the reasons I canceled that subscription box, because I felt like all of the boxes I got were not, or all of the decks I got were not really up my alley. So another thing I hate about this, not another thing I hate, that's pretty harsh. I digress. Something I do not like is that this box is not big enough for these two things, and so these get messed up, and I dislike that. I dislike when that happens. So here's the back side. It's actually really pretty. I really like that. These cards are smooth and pliable. They're good size for my hands. I feel like I could definitely handle these. So let's look at them. Spirit Awakens. It's actually really pretty. It's got like a little saying, I embrace my soul purpose and align all aspects of my life to it fully. And then, you know, I think that was pretty. Meditation. Transformation. Gratitude, Root Chakra, Earth Elemental, Sacred Space, the Healer, Archangel Raphael, Sacral Chakra, Water Elemental, Reach Out, Solar Plexus Chakra, Fire Elemental, Find Your Bliss, Archangel Michael, Heart Chakra, Air Elemental, A Nurturing Heart, Mother, Throat Chakra, Own Your Path, Archangel Gabriel, The Present, the Third Eye Chakra, Spirit Guides, the Crown Chakra, Spark of Divine, Release, Balance, Reach for Your Dreams, Embrace Change, Move in Meditation, Sun Goddess, Earth Angel, Nature Spirits, Abundance, Crystal Ascension, Forest Frolic Maiden, Flames of Wisdom Crone, At Day's End Rest, Moon Goddess, Wheel of Life, Celebrate Life, Integration. So honestly, I think that I have a goal eventually when I get to it. It's always a million projects. I'm that kind of person. I want to work on my chakras, and I've got a lot of cool resources that I've been collecting over the years, and I've never really done a deeper dive into that. I think that this would be like a good companion for that kind of spiritual journey. So, I mean, I'll hold on to it until such a time as I can use it in that manner. Oh, I got it in that time. Let's see if it'll close. There we go. Close this time, of course. So I've just got to think about the context in which I can use it. Or just put it up until I reach the point where I'm ready to use it in the context that I have imagined. How do you guys use this deck if you're familiar with it? Let me know in the comments below. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.